A very good evening to everyone present here. I, Mitul Rana, would like to start this knowledge session on exploring the nature of consciousness in AI at 5 p.m. Exploring the nature of consciousness in AI is a fascinating and complex field that delves into the very essence of what it means to be aware. It raises profound questions about the nature of intelligence, sentience, and the potential for machines to possess subjective experiences. This exploration involves examining the philosophical, scientific, and ethical dimensions of creating artificial entities that might one day be considered conscious beings. SEMS Welfare Foundation, a registered non-profit organization, is dedicated to social impact across various sectors. We focus on education, particularly skill development and entrepreneurship. Through our initiative, DigiSaksham, we have created training programs in IT, finance, retail, and entrepreneurship impacting over 6,000 individuals. We are currently upskilling inmates in Haryana jails and collaborating with universities and colleges. We have also partnered with banks to place over 1,500 candidates in jobs. In just a short time, SEMS have established itself as a force for positive change, equipping individuals with skills for employment and promoting women's leadership in various industries. This session is collaboratively organized by Samaksh. Digi Samaksh is a company that empowers business through data and technology. We offer a wide range of services, including IT, software, data science, research, consultancy, data analytics, and marketing. So, about the speaker, it's our privilege to welcome Shruti Bhola, who has over a decade of experience in the dynamic field of marketing technology and has honed her skill in leveraging cutting edge tools and strategies to drive impactful results from optimizing customer journeys to implementing data-driven campaigns. I have navigated the ever-evolving landscape of MarTech with adaptability and innovation. Her journey started with MarTech, which has recently taken an exciting turn, and so she has embarked on a new adventure, public speaking, passionate about sharing insights and strategies with fellow professionals. She has taken the stage to discuss the intersection of technology and marketing, offering practical advice, and actionable takeaways. As a MarTech professional, she thrives on staying ahead of trends and embracing emerging technologies to deliver measurable success for organizations, whether it's crafting compelling narratives or diving deep into technical implementations. I bring a unique blend of strategic vision and hands-on expertise to every project. So you can continue, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Mitul, for this great introduction of mine. And I am also very thrilled to be here and discuss about AI and everything, like what it is about. So, thank you so much for introducing me. Thank you for your kind words. I will quickly share my screen. Okay, so here we would be talking about AI, the nature, the consciousness of AI, and how why AI. We all are hearing artificial intelligence, AI. How is it happening? And there are rumors around AI also. So let's get started. So the first thing is we all are hearing that there would be like job cuts if AI is coming. The news like Wall Street may slash like around 2 lakh of jobs. And in fact, it will also impact jobs in India as well. So why is it happening? Why AI is there? What is AI all about? So first of all, I will just tell you about what is AI. I ca- Mitul, I'm getting lots of background noise here.
Because someone's mic is muted
Yeah,
me.
it's much better. Thank you so much, Madhu. Yeah. So yeah. So one thing is, what do we understand by machine learning and AI? So guys in here, if you can just brief me about how do we understand AI? How much we know AI? If anyone can unmute and answer the question, what is AI? What is machine learning? How do we understand this terminology? Anyone here? Can anyone tell us? Any vague definition will also work. Yes.
Because women cannot do same work repeatedly. Some at some point of time they get frustrated. We made
Hmm.
a AI that it
Mhm.
can so that to reduce our work.
Yeah, yeah. Can I know your name also? Because I have just a single screen. I can't see your names.
Chavi J.
Okay, Chavi. Thank you so much, Chavi. I can, if like whatever you have said, it's all correct about AI. But how? Why is that to be? It is designed. It is designed to typically require human intelligence for better answering of our problems, for better resolve, for better decision making, and give ourselves a better format how a human actually can define a solution to any problem. So that is why we have got AI. And similarly, machine learning is a subfield of AI, which involves different set of algorithms that reads data and help us to classify different sets of data, and help us to classify data and recognize the patterns. So that is why it is an essential tool for many AI applications. So we all know it's about AI. AI is coming. So what I will suggest, let's not get worried about AI. Let's learn about AI, and let's learn about AI tools so that we can fit in the society, and we also can be equally match our shoulders to what the world is upcoming with. So to make our world little more easier and to learn about AI, when we have to study, or in terms of any student who's there, or anyone, like even if we are in a corporate, or even if we are pitching for any exams, what I feel, we should have these set of tools. We should learn about these tools so that we are aware about the AI tools in this area when we are either a person or a student who's developing a strength on any subject. For example, Notion India. So this Notion India will help us to get like organize our notes, planning our projects. For example, if anyone is pursuing their PhD, then it's easy for for a person to use Notion India and summarize their study guides and take their notes. And similarly, ChatGPT. And ChatGPT is a one huge AI tool that everyone should be aware about. If anyone is a coder, they can just put in their demand about the code, and they'll get the code. And it is such an easy tool. It's just a chatbot which will understand and give you in an easy interpretation language. And Grammarly is a single browser setting that when you can add. It was earlier also, but in terms of AI, it has uh, gotten much more reputation and get our grammars check and everything. Whereas for Chat GPT, at times they will fiddle around their grammar, and there would be some grammar issues or spelling issues. But for Grammarly, if you use it, it's much better. Similarly, for Quizlet, if there's a teacher or a professor who has to make people study, who has to make students study, they can just generate in flashcards or a Quizlet sort of a thing, or an exam sort of a things for their students. So this is what I was telling you. Anyone who's aware about what is the full form of Chat GPT? Like, guys, this is gonna be a very interactive session because it's not me speaking with respect to you. It's an interactive session. So I would just want to understand. We all are hearing about Chat GPT. We all are using Chat GPT. So if anyone who is aware about Chat GPT full form, any wrong answers is absolutely fine. Does anyone here? What is Chat GPT? Anyway, silence is golden. Then let's learn about what is Chat GPT. Chat GPT's chat generative pre-trained transformer. Guys, which country has made Chat GPT? This is the easiest question I can ask. Anyone? Wrong answers. Can we have any hands raised? Mitul, if you can just see.
No.
Okay. ChatGPT is made by a like it's in open AI has made ChatGPT, and it is generated in US. So, we all have scheduled pretty busy schedule. So if you have got busy schedule, if you are working as a corporate person, even if you are a housemaker, or a person who is pursuing exams, anyone, any student life, anyone, then we have got a good number of a great number of tools which we can use, like Grade Scope. This is for a student or an instructor that can get you multiple choice questions and everything related to that. Otter AI is one of the nicest AI tool which we can use when we have to get the handy transcription. Whenever a student is getting on a getting on a online lecture, they can install that in their systems and get the transcription of their professor's lessons, and that can just they can just take a notes out of it and use. Similarly, Copilot is something related to something like ChatGPT also, that is a Microsoft based. Usually, a big organizations like Microsoft and all, they have their like a platform called Copilot. Sorry, I can hear background noise again. Okay, better. So Copilot is also something related to ChatGPT, but it is used in corporates majorly because it's a Microsoft product. So majorly everyone uses Microsoft product. So Copilot is there, and Notion is also something similar, like Otter AI, where they can use the transcription of their meetings and their calls and their lectures, and then they can just take the notes out of it. So this is how an Otter AI works. We just have to put your link, like here, like this. We are just interacting on Zoom. Then we can just put a Zoom link here, and then you can just hit next, and you can just get the transcription side by side, and then you can make our notes out of it. And when we are looking for any internships and job, LinkedIn has also got AI resume builder, a Canva, and Resi. Resi is one of the nicest tool I would recommend when you have to build a AI assistant resume builder. They'll give you a sample how like how a beginner's level jobs resume would look like, how a middle level, and how an extreme, like a leadership level or an LT level jobs will look like. Your resume should ideal look like. And this is the Resi resume builder app. Also, it's always not about being busy. It's also about lifestyle and well-being. So I would recommend using Google Calendar with AI scheduling that will optimize your study blocks, your working hours, or and setting up the reminders as simple as like take water, drink water, go for an exercise. And similarly, MyFitnessPal is also one of the greatest fitness app based on AI, which can be used by any student on the go or any professional to take some time out of their busy schedules. So this is also something on the similar level. Clockwise and Trello. These are a good AI apps that we should be aware about, where it doesn't talk about all about work, but also prioritizing your work-life balance and mitigating through your work hours. So I would also recommend this nicest app, Forest app for AI, which will also help you not being distracted when you are working on something. And like they'll ask you to be stay away from their screens and take your time. So just download this and use. And this is the greatest app which I would ask you when we have been all around busy and looking for too much of screen time in our lives. So if we are looking for social connections, then Speechify and Spotify AI playlists are also there, which we can just refer to. And this is the talk of the town, DeepSeek. So guys, have you heard about what is DeepSeek? Anyone? I can actually give you the hint. This is the like newest tool. It is the brand new a chatbot that has been launched. Anything extra you know about DeepSeek? Any inputs? Which country has launched it? How is it different? Any answers? Any answers? Let's make it interactive. It's just me talking and talking. Anyways, no problem. So DeepSeek AI is the newest thing that has been launched around the world, and the development cost for this is only 6 millions, not much more. And it's such a win-win thing for AI industry, that it doesn't require any major like any simple statement. If you put it on the chatbot, it's easy for for any one of us to read through, and it makes so much easy for ourselves also, that it's very easy to use. And another thing that how it is different from chat gpt is it just only talk about text based queries, that you have to write everything in details, so that other person, like, so that DeepSeek understands and like give the answer according to it. And it's not a very expensive tool, uh, and doesn't require, like, doesn't involve any major development cost. And this is also good for any developer, or or a person who is looking for some cost conscious answers, like us. We are looking for, like, for daily users like us, like, we are looking for something that has got open source and cost effective. So this is what the DeepSeek is all about. Read about it. It has been launched by China, whereas ChatGPT is launched with respect to USA. It's an OpenAI thing. So this is how ChatGPT is different from DeepSeek. I would not say like ChatGPT is the winner here, or a DeepSeek is a winner. Ideally, they both have their own strengths and own strengths. What I will recommend. Okay, guys. What is Volk AI? Any hints, like any answers about it?
Volkai is something called Pioneer Generative AI platform.
Mm-hmm.
Is also helps to this is something called the tool can be assigned for businesses, and individual can create high quality content.
Yes, and
That's right, I think, because I
yes,
have attended a one workshop in North Indian. As
yes,
the professor was told me that Volk AI is
yes,
actually trending in X.com. Formerly,
yes,
it's called a Twitter.
yes.
Am I right?
Absolutely right. And which country has worked to develop this thing?
I think I forgot, but it is United States of America.
No, it's India that they are actually working upon, and they have developed this, and
Oh,
it's
sorry. I mean Indian has
yes,
done it. India is
yes,
done. Sorry, I'm
yeah,
sorry. I'm
yeah.
sorry.
No problem, no problem. It's okay. We are here to learn. So India has
Okay.
developed. Yes,
Because Make in India is the product has came from the Make India is generated by India. Right.
yes.
Thank
So
you.
this
Thank
is
you.
no problem. This is an Indian-based chatbot, Volk AI. I haven't got time, like it's this newly launched thing as well. So it's a new tool that I haven't got opportunity to work upon it, but I will definitely work and see how the beautiful chatbot is. So it has got a black base, and where we can just put our queries and get the results. So let's see how Indian AI thing actually works. Until then, guys, this is what I wanted to tell about Volk AI. So let's be prepared about this also, that now India has got their AI thing. So any guesses which apps use Meta AI? What is Meta AI? No problem. So Meta AI is used in Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp.
What's
So
up? Yeah. Yeah.
yeah. So how, like, AI is everywhere, guys. It's not on like, AI has got their seeds across every single app, whichever app we use. So particularly, I just want to take an example of AI in Instagram. How AI is actually working in terms of AI. So when AI has got different machine learning models. So if I talk about Instagram, whenever we actually put any content on Instagram just reads it through and then allow us to put it on Instagram. And if they see if there are any lousy words which are not appropriate to use on Instagram, they just put on a hold, and never get it on the platform. Whereas, if I talk about AI is not about is not above human intelligence. What I just wanted to tell you, that human intelligence is above AI. So there are some human people interferences as well, when any person puts the Instagram post. If it doesn't, if it's in something in between where AI is not looking into, then a human intervention is taken, and they just improve and put the post on their system. In fact, they have different policies that may change over time, because AI is not what we would be actually looking up to. There is some human intelligence is involved. And to, to keep the process smooth, they have the content review process constantly evolving. So this is how HI is over AI. Guys, any more questions from our your side? I would love to answer this because otherwise I have got a short quiz prepared for you, which you can just undergo and see how well aware about we are about AI and artificial intelligence, machine learning. Guys, do we have any questions till now? Any questions or any discussion pointers?
Fine. I just look at this AI. You have given extraordinary content that we actually understand from AI, Meta AI. Hope
Mm-hmm.
you're, yeah. And there are few questions I have in my mind is
Hmm.
how does Meta AI
Hmm.
is comparing with OpenAI. That you failed to say something in OpenAI, but I'm not. With the first 15 minutes, I'm not able to listen what you said.
Mm-hmm.
Then, how does this Meta AI compare to Google AI or DeepMind? How we can compare how this Meta AI is performing in terms of providing for the key area researchers?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So, can I know your name, please?
Sorry,
Can I know your name, please, before answering the question?
name
Yeah, yeah, name.
Dr. Premanand.
Okay. Dr. Premanand sir. So, thank you for answering this question. So, what I feel every open AI or DeepSeek or Meta AI, they have got their different algorithms working upon, which they are actually evolving with day by day. For example, if I look upon a chat GPT thing, they are actually offering everything. This is what I have added in here also. They have text, images, voice, everything inbuilt there. Whereas Meta AI, they haven't built on images and voice yet. It's still on the basis of text. And chat GPT on a personal front, they have a strong performance, what I feel, in comparison to Meta AI. Even though they are evolving, they're building, and they're more cost effective because they are free, whereas chat GPT have got some subscription based models. I hope that answers.
Very well, very
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
But I had another question, which is
Mhm.
how can all the small, medium enterprises, businesses integrate a Meta AI into their workflow? Because the workflow will be sending their emails and the coordination, all the ERPs and all. How Meta
Mhm.
AI really help that business to integrate into their workflow?
I just would love to know which exactly space they are. For example, a simple tool, if I talk about, even Gmail, if you talk about, have got the integration which they can use and put the use the AI to send their emails. And at times, why do we really want to complicate putting AI in our simple email sendings and simple SMEs and medium based organizations? I would recommend, let's start with the simpler concept like sending an email, and there are lots of tools which are freely available there. You can use HubSpot, which have got AI integrations as well if you want to use it. But initially, just start using the basic one, and you'll also learn how like it will not be an overwhelming and how easy their task would become. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
No problem. If we have any more questions, then I can answer. Otherwise, I have worked on like I've developed a small test for you, a quiz for you, so that we learn and we cherish what we have gone through the entire session. Just quickly share, put on, take out your cameras from your phones and scan this code, and then you'll get a form which has got 7 8 questions. Those are very easy and you can quickly answer these.
I have completed, ma'am.
Okay. And how many points you have got?
Uh, your this is something called your response has been recorded. That's it. I have not get any points in this.
Okay, okay,
I'm not able to see that.
okay, you're not able to see that. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
let me just see them.
You can tell me that how many points I got
Sure,
it
sure, sure,
out of
sure,
seven.
sure. Oh, you have got 6 out of 7.
How much I do? How many marks I've got out of 7, ma'am?
6, 6, 6.
6. Which one
Yeah.
I make wrong?
Let me just check. Okay.
Out of 7, 6. Very bad.
I think which AI tool can generate digital artwork from text prompt?
Oh.
Yeah, that was, I guess that was ChatGPT. Anyway, anyone else is looking? Is anyone have answered, guys?
Which AI concept involved machine learning? That was the answer is machine learning, no, ma'am.
No, 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 no. I think that I will just tell you. I'm just sharing the screen right away. Just give me a moment, okay?
Okay.
I will let you know, guys. Look at it and scan and get the answers, please. Any questions also are appreciated. I will just give you 2-3 minutes more. Let me check. Guys, I've only got 2-3 responses. Anyway, thank you so much for joining the call, guys.